the following methods is used to calculate national income by summing up the total spending on final goods and services in an economy? A. Value-added method. B. Expenditure method. C. Output method. D. Income method. Correct answer. B. Expenditure method. Question 2. By what name are the flat membrane enclosed sacs present in the Golgi apparatus known? A. Lamellae. B. Stroma. C. Cristae. D. Cisternae. Correct answer. D. Cisternae. Question 3. Which article of the Constitution of India provides for a governor for each state? A. Article 153. B. Article 173. C. Article 156. D. Article 157. Correct answer. A. Article 153. Question 4. Chapchar Kut is a festival from the state of. It is celebrated during March after the completion of the most arduous task of Jhum operation, i.e. jungle clearing of the remnants of burning. A. Jharkhand. B. Mizoram. C. Nagaland. D. Chhattisgarh. Correct answer. B. Mizoram. Question 5. As per the Census of India 2011, which union territory recorded the lowest population growth rate? A. Chandigarh. B. Delhi. C. Lakshadweep. D. Daman and Diu. Correct answer. C. Lakshadweep. Question 6. In which of the following states was the 2023 World Squash Championship held? A. Odisha. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer. D. Tamil Nadu. Question 7. Who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? A. Asaf Ali. B. Annie Besant. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Usha Mehta. Correct answer. B. Annie Besant. Question 8. In which state of India is Kaziranga National Park located? A. Assam. B. Karnataka. C. Gujarat. D. West Bengal. Correct answer. A. Assam. Question 9. Rukmini Devi Arundale was associated with which Indian classical dance form? A. Bharatanatyam. B. Manipuri. C. Mohiniyattam. D. Kathak. Correct answer. A. Bharatanatyam. Question 10. Ajmer Sharif is the shrine of which of the following Sufi saints? A. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. B. Muhammad Ghori. C. Bhakhtiyar Khilji. D. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. Correct answer. D. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. Question 11. Which of the following is a common financial service provided by microfinance institutions? A. Mortgage loans for luxury homes. B. Investment advisory services for high net worth individuals. C. Small loans to low-income individuals for entrepreneurial activities. D. Credit card issuance. Correct answer. C. Small loans to low-income individuals for entrepreneurial activities. Question 12. Former governor of Jharkhand from the year 2004 to 2009 passed away in Lucknow in 2022. A. Syed Sipte Raji. B. Syed Ahmad. C. Ramesh Bais. D. Katikal Sankarnarayanan. Correct answer. A. Syed Sipte Raji. Question 13. The 11th fundamental duty provides opportunities for education for the age group of children. A. 2 to 11. B. 6 to 14. C. 6 to 18. D. 5 to 15. Correct answer. B. 6 to 14. Question 14. The Swarna Jayanti Shahri Rozgar Yojana (SJSRY) was launched in the year by Government of India. A. 2010. B. 2090. C. 2097. D. 24. Correct answer. C. 2097. Question 15. In which event at the 2023 ISSF Junior World Cup Championships did Amanpreet Singh win a gold medal for India? A. Men's 25 meters pistol. B. Men's 10 meters air rifle. C. Men's 25 meters rapid fire pistol. D. Men's 10 meters air pistol team. Correct answer. A. Men's 25 meters pistol. Question 16. In which year were the Arms Act and Vernacular Press Act passed? A. 1877, B. 1879, C. 1878, D. 1876. Correct answer, C. 1878. Question 17. Mumtaz Khan was named FIH Women's Rising Star of the Year in 2022. She plays which of the following sports? A. High jump, B. Hockey, C. Fencing, D. Football. Correct answer, B. Hockey. Question 18. Whose autobiography is titled as Wings of Fire? An autobiography. A. Rajendra Singh, B. APJ Abdul Kalam, C. E. Sridharan, D. Satyabhama Das Biju. Correct answer, B. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question 19. The Rathwas, who dwell in the state of, perform the Rathwa dance on the occasion of Holi, Festival of Colors. A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Telangana, C. Gujarat, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, C. Gujarat. Question 20. Which of the following Carnatic musicians was the first to receive the Bharat Ratna? A. Syama Sastri, B. Tyagaraja, C. M.S. Subbulakshmi, D. K.J. Yesudas. Correct answer, C. M.S. Subbulakshmi. Question 21. Was a star of the Kathak dance form described as Nritya Samragini, the Empress of Dance, by Rabindranath Tagore? A. Mrinalini Sarabhai, B. Rukmini Devi Arundale, C. Malika Sarabhai, D. Sitara Devi. Correct answer, D. Sitara Devi. Question 22. Manna Dey was a famous personality of India in field of A. Music, B. Games, C. Politics, D. Science. Correct answer, A. Music. Question 23. According to the AOPAC nomenclature system, which functional group is characterized by the presence of AOH group, usually in a water-like bent shape? A. Alcohols, B. Amines, C. Carbonyls, D. Esters. Correct answer, A. Alcohols. Question 24. Which of the following is the highest navigable lake in the world? A. Huron, B. Superior, C. Titicaca, D. Como. Correct answer, C. Titicaca. Question 25. Whose autobiography is titled Ace Against Odds? A. Mirabai Chanu, B. Sania Mirza, C. Mary Kom, D. Saina Nehwal. Correct answer, B. Sania Mirza.